Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how CSS position property works. In order to show that, I'm going to create 3 div tag inside a body tag. Now I'm going to add 3 different classes for each div element. In the first div element, I'm going to create a class called blue. In the second, I'm going to create a class called yellow. In the third div element, I'm going to create a class called violet. And then I'm going to write CSS program for each classes. First, I'm taking blue class which is present in the first div element, and I'm going to set background color as blue and then set width and height property as 100 pixels. Now I'm going to just copy and paste that blue class and change the background color property and class name as yellow. Similarly, I'm going to copy and paste the blue class and change background color property and class name as violet. In the output panel, we can see the 3 boxes which are created with the help of div element and classes. Now I'm going to change position property as relative in the blue class. Relative position means it will change the element's position relative to the position where it used to be. If I change its left property as 50 pixel, then it goes left from where it used to be. If we change its right property as 50 pixel, then it goes right from where it used to be. We are able to change 4 properties. They are top, right, bottom and left. Now I'm going to change its position property as absolute in the blue class which is present on the first div element. Absolute position means it makes the particular element out of the HTML flow. You can see that as soon as I change its position into absolute, the yellow box which is present below the blue box will go up. That's the difference between absolute position and the relative position. In absolute position, if I change its right property as 200 pixel, then the distance between the whole HTML web page and then the right of the particular element is 200 pixel. Now I set position absolute in the yellow class. You can see the violet box which is present below the yellow box is go up. If I change its position into relative, then nothing will happen. Now I set its left property as 20 pixel. You can see the difference between the element where it used to be and that left corner of the particular distance is 20 pixel. Now you can see I change its position as static. Static means nothing will happen. It rely on the HTML flow. Now I'm changing its position as fixed. Fixed means it fixed on that particular position only. It never changes its position. Now I'm trying to show you how fixed position works. Now I'm going to just copy and paste the last div element which has violet class as many times. You can see in the output panel many violet boxes are created. Now I'm just scrolling down. You can see that yellow box is fixed on that position only. The violet boxes are moved up, but the yellow boxes are fixed. I hope this video is useful for you to understand how the position property work when we change its position into static, fixed, absolute and relative. If this video is useful for you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.